how do you feel after winning your 1000th win?
Relieved.
If it wasn't for him, I would not be working here. He gave me my chance.
Liggett has always taught me to always go hard and stay focused in a game, never give up, and just go as hard as you can.
He's had such a big impact on my career as a softball player. I actually got a scholarship to San Jose State University, and I feel if I hadn't played him for 4 years, I wouldn't have gotten that opportunity.
Well, you gotta win 999 before you get to the class. My plans to relax, enjoy the company of my wife, and do more with my grandkids.